The time has come, we all are waiting for Android 11 release. And why not? This is the latest version of Android 11 with best features we're gonna experience, right? Can you feel this? We all are excited for this, right? Hello friends, what's up? This is your Pawan Kumar Yadav and you are watching Infotech Facts. Guys, till now it hadn't been clear whether its name will be changed to any desert name, but this version is gonna be so fantastic. And friends, this video is gonna be informative for you all. So hit the like button and without delaying, share this video with all of your friends and relatives. And if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification for such facts and informative updates. Friends, for more information, you can follow me on the other social media platforms whose link I have given in the description, and also you can see on the screen such as Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter. So guys, this Android 11 is a developer preview, and in this version there's no many visual changes like Android 10, but there's a change in its optimization and performances. So while looking at Android 10 and 11, we cannot differentiate on a large scale. Like it will be similar to Android 10 in the visual changes. So coming to the first feature, which is conversation in notification panel. Google is heavily focusing on making communication simple with Android 11. To make it easier to manage notifications from various chat apps, Google is moving conversation notification from all messaging apps under conversation area or notification panel, which makes it easier to see all your ongoing conversation across various chat apps. And the next new feature is bubbles notification. Guys, this is another conversation feature in Android 11. If you have used the messenger-like apps from Facebook in your phone, then you might have been aware of how the chat heads come up on your screen for an active chat. You can move these bubbles chat heads anywhere on your screen you wish to, and it allows you to do whatever you want while still you will be able to bring up the chat window on just a tap. This is exactly what the bubbles feature in this version does, and this will be available for all the messaging apps. And the next feature is revamped power menu. Guys, the power menu is getting a massive revamp as a part of Android 11. Instead of just showing the buttons to shut down or restart the device, it will now also provide with quick access to the Google Play cards as well as their smart controls. Guys, Google has already introduced this feature on its Pixel phones with the third feature drop, but with Android 11 it will make available for all the devices, which is a cool feature. So friends, coming to the next cool feature, which is granular privacy controls. Google has brought with a new permission model in Android 10, and with Android 11 it is further working on it. In this feature, we users will have the option of granting apps with sensitive permissions on one-time basis. This includes camera, location and microphone, and it requires any of these three permissions if you are launching any application. And the next cool feature is limited background location access. Friends, Google is gonna make it more difficult for apps to use location data in the background, and they will have to go through an approval process for this. The company will only give the necessary approval to apps whose functionality will be affected without background location access. But my friends, there is a good news for the developers that Google is not gonna enforce this policy for existing apps until 2021. Coming to the next feature, which is new media controls. Hey friends, Google is moving the media controls in Android 11 from notification panel to the quick setting panel. Friends, additionally, you can now tap on the media controls to select the output devices connected to your phone, that is paired Bluetooth speakers or earbuds or any Google Cast devices. Coming to the next awaited feature, which is screen recorder. Yes guys, Google is finally adding a native screen recorder feature in Android 11. There's a tile in the quick setting panel using which one can start screen recording on their device. This feature also has the option to record the audio from the device microphone and show the touches on the screen. And coming to the new feature, which is new screenshot preview UI. Guys, there's a new screenshot preview UI in Android 11 that is very similar to Apple's implementation on iPhones. After you take a screenshot, a floating preview of it will show up on the bottom left corner of the screen with buttons to share and edit. The next feature is notification history. Friends, you can now view your notification history on Android 11 tucked with settings, then go to apps and notification, then notification history. Here you can get an overview of all your recent and snooze notifications. And the next feature is do not disturb interruptions. Guys, do not disturb option in Android 11 will allow one to specify certain apps and contacts that can bypass the notification restrictions. There are granular control for this, so you can set only your priority conversations to interrupt, do not disturb, or all conversations, etc. You can also add only specific notification from an app to bypass do not disturb. And the next feature, which is my favorite feature, that is dark mode scheduling. So friends, finally Google introduced dark mode in Android 10 and with Android 11. It is adding a scheduling feature to it. This will allow users to schedule dark mode to automatically enable itself during a set time every day or from sunset to sunrise. Guys, this dark mode scheduling feature is already a part of many other OEM skins. Coming to the next feature, which is better autofill suggestion. Friends, this autofill suggestion will now show up directly in the prediction bar of the keyboard you are using instead of showing as a drop-down menu. Guys, this is similar to a new autofill UI that Google plans to roll out to Chrome for Android with its next major release. And the next feature is app suggestion on the home screen. Guys, this suggestion on home screen toggle controls the feature in the Pixel launcher. There's also a setting for an app suggestion in the Pixel launcher settings menu. So for that, we need to long press in an empty spot, then home settings, then suggestion, then suggestions on home screen. So friends, that's all for today, and if you found this video informative, then hit the like button and share with all your friends and relatives, and then subscribe to my channel Infotech Facts. Thank you, Jai Hind and Vande Mataram. See you in next video.